Hello friends, TTWRJC Jadsala Village Circle Program, Village Gadwal Leader Sripala, student names Renuka and Shivasai. Today's topic is force and its types. Okay, let's know the meaning of an force. Force means pull or push acting upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. In daily life, we see many forces like gravitational force. Let's know the types of forces. There are mainly two types of forces. First one is contact forces and second one is action at a distance forces. Let's know the meaning of these forces. Again, these two forces are classified into many types. Let's see the meaning of contact forces. The meaning of contact force is any force that requires contact to occur. In contact forces, there are 6 types of forces again. First one is frictional force, and second is a tension force, third normal force, and fourth air resistant force, fifth spring force, sixth applied force. Let's know the meaning of second type force at a distance. Okay, the meaning of action at a distance force is any object can be moved or changed, otherwise affected without being physically touched by another object is known as action at a distance force. In this force, there are again 3 types of forces. First one is gravitational force, second is magnetic force, and third is electric force. Okay friends, these some forces are not important in our studies. Let's know the meaning of some forces and examples of that forces. First one, let's know about the normal force. Normal force means the normal force is the support force exerts upon an object which is in the contact with another stable object. For example, on a table a book is there. The contact between the book and the table, here the book is in the rest. So when an object is rest with the stable object, the contact between two objects is known as normal force. The next is gravitational force. Gravitational force. The force of gravity is the force with which moon and earth or other massively object attracts another object towards itself is known as gravitational force. Formula for gravitational force is F gravitational is equals to m into g. M means mass of the object and g means gravity. Okay, for examples of gravitational force is if we throw something from upside, it will fall down because our earth has gravitational force, so it will pull down the object and the object will fall down. This is the reason for the falling of object from. Next, electrical force. Electrical force, it is exerted between two charged objects. The opposite charges of an object will repel each other. For example, the charge in a bulb and electric circuits are made by using this electrical force. Okay. Next, magnetic force. Attraction or repulsion that arises between two electrically charged particles because of their motion is known as magnetic force. Examples for magnetic force is compass and motors, magnets that holds on refrigerators, or some of examples of magnetic force. The last one is frictional force. The force generated by two surfaces that contact and slide against each other. There are 4 types in this frictional force. There are sliding friction, fluid friction, rolling friction, static friction. Examples for frictional force is rubbing both hands to create heat, and an iron pushes across the cloths, or examples for the frictional force. Thank you for watching.